washing soda. It's succubus fluids, and I'm pretty sure this ain't acute succubus fluids. Judging this game with the succubus ain't... She's gonna ruin my image of succubus. Let's go right straight to this, whatever this is. You guys are destroying my dream.